guys, we're back with another episode. We're out at Kissimmee Prairie State Park here in Okeechobee, Florida, and it looks like it's a real nice bright sunny day. I've already got a few opportunities on photos, so thank you for joining me. Welcome to episode 9 of Nature with Photosmith. Alright y'all, so we're here and I think this is some kind of raven. I got quite a few photos of him just chilling, him and his buddy. Yeah, the other one flew away, so let's see if I can flush him out here and he'll just fly away on me. There he goes. Alright, so I'll research it. I'm pretty sure it is a raven, and I'll be back in a bit. Alright y'all, we're walking down this trail here. They don't really have anything marked with a name on it for a label for the trail. So we're just going down this. You're not allowed to drive a car down it. It's got a nice little tree canopy here that lasts for a little bit. Just really anxious to get some great photos today. I'm joined by Sandra today.
Hey!
And the kids are way up there walking ahead. It's very open and beautiful out here. Supposedly this is one of the last dry prairies in the amount that it is here in Florida, apparently. All right, so I'm not seeing too many opportunities. Walk in a bit further and I'll be back in a little bit. Yeah. So I got some opportunities on a few different butterfly types, and it looks like some type of grasshopper or a cricket. Other than that, that's about it right now. So, you know, people are real smart that they have to come here just like this. Alligators are dangerous. Do not swim with alligators. Do not approach, frighten, or feed. It is kind of hot now, so a lot of stuff's going to be hiding up in the shade. But there's still opportunities out here. Ooh, you hear that? What kind of bird was that in here? I want to get around this so I can see what that was. All right, I'm going to get on the other side, get a vantage point. I'll be back in a bit. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to step back in and show you Leavenworth's tick seed that I've done macro on before. So I'll put my hand down here and show you. See, look how tiny this flower is. And this is the kind of flowers that I've been taking macro of and getting super large. It's very beautiful. And you can see the little bulbs on them. They actually grow out of those bulbs. See, it's at the bottom. See, there's another bulb. There'll be a flower eventually on that bulb right there. So, very pretty little wildflower. So there still hasn't been really any more opportunities. I just think it's really hot out here today, and the animals aren't cooperating. They just want to stay somewhere nice and cool, and I can't blame them. Oh, I walked all the way down to the end, and there really wasn't anything here. But if you look way over there, you'll see 3 steer. Just curious about what the humans are doing. So, unfortunately, that's it. I'm gonna head back. We're gonna see if there's another trail to walk. If not, it's gonna be an early day. Back in a bit. Walking along and we came across this yellow grasshopper here. He's very beautiful, very strong colorization. He's got some red behind his wings or on his wings. It's pretty. He's coming right at me. Oop, come on, little guy. You know I'm not gonna hurt you. You might hurt me though, right? Yeah, he was waving at me. He's making sure he's checking me out, though. Oh, the world. Such an interesting place. Who knows what you'll find out there, but you'll never see it unless you get out there to look. I think we got a half mile left back to the car. I'll keep my eye out. Oh, I just got hit by something. I recommend if you go walking though, and you're worried about mosquitoes, use bug repellent instead of wearing full-on pants. I am pretty smart, but sometimes I'm pretty dumb. Right, so I'm gonna keep walking here and be back in a bit. That's the conclusion of our today's walk. It was about a 2-mile walk. There wasn't a lot out there. It was mainly insects. I did get a donkey. I got some artsy shots or lonely, tree shots and things like that. So, but it was still a nice walk. It was good. I appreciate it. It was a nice area. It was different. There's more to see out here. I just probably do it in the winter time. It's really hot out here. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like below. If you enjoyed the content on this channel, subscribe. And if you want to see new videos from Photosmith, click the bell icon. It was, like I said, a short walk, but it was a good, interesting walk. Just the heat was a little intolerable today. I wore pants and I wasn't very smart, so, hey. All right, I'll see you guys on the next episode.